Again, always a pleasure to see you. Maraming salamat po sa inyong oras. How do you consider what you've seen so far? Because do you agree that there is grave threat, number one? And do you agree that there is criminal intent?
Good morning, Pinky. Thank you for having me. And magandang umaga sa mga tagapanood sa Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. I would say, I would frame that the prosecution succeeded, I think, in proving criminal intent. Now, when the witness was asked by Senator Alan Peter Cayetano, what was your basis for assessing their seriousness of the threat, and the NBI agent said, our basis po, sir, is the capability of the person making the threat to carry it out. May kapasidad, may kakayahan. I mean, kaya niyang gawin yun. Kasi kung hindi niya kayang gawin yun, parang biro-biro lang. Pero, kayang-kaya niya yung gawin. So, talagang nakakatakot. So, very serious siya. Again, you have to remember that one of the elements that go into the assessment of whether or not there is criminal intent, and I think that was a very good answer. Very good point. And it's an honest, and I think they really do that. That is a smart thing to do. Because, you know, when you are playing chess, you're examining the position of your opponent. You do not judge the opponent based on what you think his intention is. You base it on what he do based on the position. What is his capability? And you have to frame your moves based on his capability, not on your interpretation of his intention, because intention is clearly shown or is shown by capability. So the grave threat is serious because the capabilities and capacity of the person threatening malinaw na may criminal intent. I mean, 100%. You don't have to be a rocket scientist to figure it out. So if you're going to ask me personally, it's game over. Malinaw na malinaw. Nandiyan na yung video eh. So, ano pang kailangan i-discuss? But that's only my honest legal opinion.
Always a pleasure. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you for having me.